Jamaica is an island which is very exposed to the impacts of climate change. When one thing fails, that can lead to cascading failures to other networks.
The government is aware of these impacts and trying its best now to see how we can be better prepared and be more resilient in the face of these hazards.
What ESRA does for Jamaica is create first of its kind capability to understand the complexity of infrastructure risk in very detailed local levels.
We started as ever with the transport, energy and water networks. We layered on contextual information about population and economy, then elevation, buildings and economic use of sites. We then layer the hazards to understand where networks are exposed.
As the Planning Institute of Jamaica, we are responsible for collating the costs related to damage and loss. This tool will allow us to create scenarios and look at how different hazards will impact our infrastructure. We can build the resilience into the infrastructure to reduce that impact.
Using that information to really pinpoint the vulnerabilities and say these are the places where you really ought to be focusing on resilience.
This is a climate vulnerable country, and I think developing a tool that can be used and accessed by different actors, sectors and decision makers is always a good outcome for countries like Jamaica.
We've been talking to various ministries within the government of Jamaica, and we're training officials in the use of the visualization tool.
The OPSIS team has been very engaged and is willing to accompany the experts here in Jamaica to know the tool, navigate it, and give them that capacity building and knowledge transfer so Jamaica can take ownership of this tool and continue developing.